Bonjour, c'est moi encore, Monsieur Connor, ça va? Okay, we're going to look at trying to learn some structures to talk about packing your case. So we've said things like je fais ma valise, I pack my case, but what else might we want to say? So let's have a look at this. We've got robe, we've done that before, and we've got short. Okay, remember from the previous video, robe was feminine, so we said une robe, la robe, we'll have a look at that in a second. And short, masculine, so un short, le short, etc. So, on va commencer la robe. Think about it. If you're not too embarrassed, you can say it out loud, just have a think. La robe, une robe. So, la robe, the dress. Une robe, a dress. J'ai une robe, I have a dress. Très bien. Okay, so you might want to pack that. J'ai une robe. Je n'ai pas de robe. I don't have a. Oh no, je n'ai pas de robe. Well, you know, secret between me and you, okay, that I do have one, okay, but don't say anything. Next one. J'ai besoin d'une robe. I need a dress. Okay, j'ai besoin d'une robe pour la fête, pour quelque chose. Okay, so j'ai besoin de, I need. Next one. Je vais acheter une robe. I'm going to buy a dress. Je vais acheter, I'm going to buy a dress. Et finalement, j'ai déjà acheté une robe. I've already bought one. I've already bought une robe. Oops. Oh non. J'ai oublié ma robe. I've forgotten my dress. So, right from the top we've got la robe, the dress. Une robe, a dress. J'ai une robe. I have a dress. Je n'ai pas de robe. I don't have a dress. I'm lying. J'ai besoin d'une robe. I need a dress. Je vais acheter une robe. I'm going to buy a dress. J'ai déjà acheté une robe. I've already bought one. J'ai oublié ma robe. I've forgotten my dress. C'est bon? Okay, let's have a go quicker for the next bit. Le short. Same idea. Short. Un short. Okay, a pair of shorts. J'ai un short. I've got a pair of shorts. Je n'ai pas de short. I've got no shorts. J'ai besoin d'un short. I need some shorts. Je vais acheter un short. I'm going to buy a pair of shorts. J'ai déjà acheté un short. Already done it. I've already bought a pair of shorts. Et finalement, j'ai oublié mon short. I've forgotten my shorts. Okay, so I hope that's going to help with the next little exercise that you'll see. Okay, très bien. À bientôt, mes petits oiseaux.